So we need to explain the concept of inverse matrices. Basically, the inverse matrix, the inverse of a matrix X is a matrix such that when we multiply the matrix X by its inverse, the result is the identity matrix. So the symbol for inverse matrix of X, for instance, is X to the power of -1, and what is important to know is that X times X inverse equals identity matrix, and also X inverse times X also equals identity matrix. There are two conditions for a matrix to have inverse matrix. So first of all, the matrix should be a square matrix. So let's write down which matrices have inverse. Square matrices only. And the second condition is that the determinant of the matrix should be non-zero. So determinant of the X does not equal 0. If these two conditions work, then matrix X has an inverse. The matrices which are not square matrix do not have the inverse. Also, the matrix which has the inverse is called invertible matrix. Invertible matrix. Let's look at the example how to find inverse of a matrix. So, for instance, let X be a 2x2 matrix A, B, C, D, and we need to find its inverse. Then the determinant of X equals AD minus BC. Then if the determinant of, let the determinant of X not be equal 0, so it doesn't equal 0. Then X inverse equals 1 over the determinant of X times D negative B negative C A. So we basically get that X inverse equals 1 over the determinant of X times 1 over, we can substitute this expression for determinant of X. So 1 over AD minus BC times D negative B negative C A.